Okay guys, this is my final evaluation and review of the Corsair 400C PC case. Now, I've already talked about what I liked about it in my unboxing, but now I'm going to talk about the stuff that I don't really like about this case. But as you can see, you probably see a cable right here. It's because of the side panel on the right hand side of this case here. It is not have enough room in the back for the cables. Well, specifically my power supply, because if you don't have a fully modular power supply, there's gonna be a lot of cramped space back there for your cables. So I recommend, if you're going to get this case, get a fully modular power supply. It will save you the trouble. You know, you won't have to go through the stuff I went through here with this case. But another thing I didn't like about this case, go behind it here for you guys, is right back here. You see my fan here, but you also see all the openings right here. Like, there is no dust filter anywhere over here. There's no dust filter. Nowhere. Corsair went through the trouble of putting one here at the top of the case, and then there's another one behind this front panel. But when you go to the back, there's no dust filter. And there's also a dust filter underneath where your power supply goes. There's a dust filter on the bottom. So what I don't understand is why they didn't put any dust filters here or where this fan goes. It doesn't make any sense. You know, so that's another thing I don't like about this case. There's no dust filters on the rear panel back here where the fan goes, and this slash here, and there's not enough room in this side panel right here unless you have a fully modular power supply. Now, there's also a bracket. I'll show you guys the bracket that goes right here, but I've took it out. This is the bracket for your SSD drives. I had to take it out because it would not fit my cables, because I have huge freaking cables in my power supply, so it did not fit those. But everything else with the case I like the clear side door. I like that. You know how you can take it off the hinges. I like all that. I like the headers here. They got USB headers on top. I like how it's set up on the top where you put power buttons right on top. But the only bad side is no dust filter here, no dust filter right here on the rear, and that this side panel on the other side, it should have been bumped out, because if you don't have a fully modular power supply, you're gonna have to take the SSD bracket off just to run your cables back there, because that's what I had to do. Okay? So I don't think that's fair to everyone. If Corsair is gonna make a case, they should make it to say everyone can use it with any power supply. You know? So that's one of the negatives I don't like. And then the second one is they didn't put any dust filter on the rear panel and in the rear where the 120 fan goes. So that's what I don't like about it. But everything else about the case I think is pretty cool. So if you're gonna get, you know, a nice mid-compact case by Corsair, I'd recommend it. But those are the only two things I don't like about the case. Everything else I think is pretty nice. So I hope this video helps you guys. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.